A hippo's yawn may not mean what you think it means. In humans, a yawn may signify fatigue or contentment. A hippo's yawn, however, is more often a sign of aggression. Bulls frequently open their mouths wide to show dominance. It's a chance to show off their weaponry. Hippos can open their jaws to an 150-degree angle. This opens their mouth 4 to 5 feet and displays their massive teeth. Hippo canine teeth are up to a foot long and are intimidating weapons.